Hello everyone, welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Msima Weklefa Kiki. Today we're going to talk about Google Forms. What are Google Forms? First of all, Google Forms is one of the services provided by Google. As long as you have a Google account, you can be able to access it. Google Forms, in simple terms, it helps us to ask people to give specific answers. Like for example, if I'm making a survey and they want people to give me specific answers, so I'm going to use Google Forms. I can also use Google Forms to make quizzes. Like I need people to give various questions. Then I can also use Google Forms to get some certain information from, maybe if I'm a lecturer, for an example, and I want to get some specific information from my students, I can use Google Forms. So also Google Forms, that means you're about to have the internet. So the first thing you have to do, you come here in your Google Chrome, you open it. Then after opening it, I told you guys, when you open your Google Chrome here, to access most of the services offered by Google, you come up here. On the right upper corner, you see this dots here, Google Apps. You click on it. When you click on it, it gives you a variety of apps. For us today, we are more interested in Google Forms. For our previous videos, we saw Google Contacts, we saw how to use Gmail. So today you want to see how you can use Google Forms. So I'm going to scroll down and look for it. I'm going to look for it. I've seen it somewhere here. It's here. That's our Google Forms. And I click on it. When I click on it, it opens. As I told you, you're supposed to be having internet to use these Google services. So when I open it, it has given me this here. You see, I have a lot of templates. Can even view them. When I click here, they have given me a variety of templates. I can be able to do party invites, contact information, RSVPs, t-shirt sign up, contact information, find a time. All these are different services offered by Google Forms. You can see here, you even have template. You have a lot of templates there here. So for today, first you want to learn how you can be able to create ourselves one of those using Google Forms. So let me take my cursor. So first, if you want to create our own, come here, but there's a blank form. Click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to open. When it opens, it brings for me something like this. What do I want to do today? For me today, I want to make a birthday party invite, right? So I come here. Up, I first give it a title. For me, I'm more interested in a birthday party. I say birthday party. I want to do a birthday party invite. So I'm going to remove this one here. I'm going to remove this, then I remain with it there. Then here I describe my title. I'm going to describe my title. Why should I put there? I'm going to look for something which can describe my birthday party. 1 year around the sun. I'm going to put there one more year around, one more year around the sun. Then I've given it a description, 1 year around the sun. Then from there, I'm going to do my questions. So to get a question, I'm going to come here. When I click on that one, it brings for me this option here. So I have to get a question. So I want to ask those people to give me their names. Those people will be able to attend my birthday party. I'm preparing a birthday party. I want them to give me their names. I'm going to put their name. Put their name. So when you come here, you see short answer. I'm going to come here. When you click here, it gives us a variety of things. How do you want them to respond to you? You want them to give me a short answer, a name told me a short answer. Come on it. Then this, if I click on required, that means that person can't give me a response minus giving me that name. Then from that it's done. Then I go for the other one. Then I can also ask for their emails. Can say email. Then also I come here. what do I want? I want a short answer. Also do that. Then also continue going down. Then it's also required. That means that person can't respond or can't send this form minus giving me their emails. Then they cannot to create another question. Just come here up and say add question. Then they come here also. What else do I want from them? I want their telephone numbers. You see their tel. Then also the telephone number. I'm going to make it a short answer. Then also require me that person can't give me a response before giving me that telephone number. Then also add for this question. I'm going to say, will you attend? I'm going to say, I'm giving an example. Will you attend? That's my question. Then from there, will you attend? And from there, what do I want? Will you attend? That person can either say no or yes. So what do? I come here to multiple choice questions. I only say multiple choice questions, give options here, right? Then when I click on this one, what do I want on this one? I'm going to say if yes, they would say. Then also you can also here down and I put another option. So I'm going to put another option. I put another option. I'm going to come here. So for this option, what do I want? That person can also decide to say. That person can say yes. Then from there, that person can also say no. I'm done. Then after there, I continue. There I say required. Then that person has to give me a response. Then from there, I can also add another question. I'm going to say what do I want? I can say contribution. How much they will contribute, maybe. Also, I'm just giving you an example. Contribution. Then contribution. Let me make it a short answer. Then I say also required. Then from there I'm done. Then after that I can try to edit my form. From there I can say to edit my form. To edit my form, what do I have to do? Then we come here and they show you. To edit them, when it's up here you can see the variety of things. You can customize themes. Means I can customize my header. Then I'm going to put here. I change whatever I want to put there. Say maybe this one. It's at the birthday party. Then you can also change the font, maybe to 21. Then you can also do the question. I can also, this one I'm going to leave it here. Then you can also change the font. Then I can go to text. I can also leave it here. Then I can also change the font. I leave it to that. Then from there, we continue going down as I show you. You can also choose an image for my header. Means I'm going to go there. Since it's a birthday party, I'm going to come here. It's a birthday party. And I choose this one. When I say that, I will say that. So my image is already uploaded here. Even see it down here. You can see it there. Then I can also change the color. Can say to use that one. So when I click here, you can see some changes around here. I can also decide to use this one, or I can use this one, or I can use this. Like that. They can also decide to change the background color. Can say to use this. Okay. Then after that, it's already done. So if those people give me their responses, but their responses will appear here. So for this case, no one has responded. I mean, that's why there are 0 responses. So I'm going to go back to my questions. Then from there, I can decide to share. For sharing, I can decide to put the people I want to share with here. I can get people who have my email. Let's leave that at that point. Then this is I can also decide to publish. I come there and publish my form so that those people want to give me their responses, they can be able to see. Then the other thing, you can also create a link. Can create a link here and publish that link. So guys, get used to this Google service program so that you can be able to enjoy our day-to-day with this computerized era. Thank you guys for watching. Continue subscribing, turn your notifications on for more hot and important information to come. We have a lot for you guys. just keep your notifications so that you can be informed about every new thing I have for you. Thank you for watching.